Hey, what's going on? My name's Garrett and welcome back to a Grand Wagoneer YouTube video. In today's video, I'll be swapping out the old pig nose grill that I had on my Wagoneer for this grill right behind me. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today I'm going to be installing this massive grill, the final edition grill on my 86 Wagoneer. So if I'm not mistaken, the 86 model year was the first year that got the new interior, new dashboard, new door panels, new rear end, the rear tail lights more specifically. And then they got a new grill up front. They got this grill instead of the pig nose grill. And again, this is an 86, so I'm not sure why this came with the pig nose grill. But anyways, let's get started. Just to show you how big this thing is. Here's my foot for comparison. It's huge. So just by looking at it, I'm pretty sure you can take off the grill with these couple of bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's give it a go. Here she is, old and new. Got it installed. Although I am having a couple problems, sure I'll be able to figure it out though. This side fits flush with the headlight and up against the rest of the body right here. Well, almost flush. There are 3 places to put screws down here. One right here, one in the middle, and then one over here. And then I think there's one on each side. One on this side and one on the other side for the headlights. Down here, I think, right here, this metal piece has a little hole in it. Not sure though. Have to mess around with it and figure it out.